Kick off your shoes, stay right there. Sit yourself down in an easy chair. Buck's gonna give us a taste of the outdoor life. We got ducks to hunt and fish to catch. He might even take us to a shooting match. Let's join Buck for a bit of the outdoor life. Now, if you've been wishing for a little fun, Buck's gonna show us how it's done. There's no better time in the world, you know, than Buck McNeely's outdoor show. We got high adventure with a natural flair. You can see it all from your favorite chair. Let's join Buck for a taste of the outdoor life.
The Outdoorsman is brought to you by Goodyear Wrangler Radials, tires that will take you just about anywhere. But remember, tread lightly. Nikon, the industry's leader in camera and sport optics equipment. Winchester, the finest ammunition manufacturers for more than a century. Winchester, because every round counts. And the Outdoorsman Sweepstakes. For great prizes every month, call 900-990-8488.
Well, welcome to the show. The sun's breaking over the mountains behind me, and we're in Sonora, Mexico to enjoy some of the most exciting wing shooting ever found anywhere on the planet. We've got dove all over us, so stay with us because it starts right after this. Our journey takes us south of the border to sunny Mexico. Our destination is the northwest state of Sonora. We flew into Hermosillo, the capital city of Sonora. Using Hermosillo as our base, we would take a short drive into the dove fields every morning. The country around Hermosillo features arid mountainous terrain near the west coast. A variety of cactus and scrub brush dot the landscape. The most impressive cactus is the towering salhueso that reaches heights of over 20 feet. Within 30 miles of Hermosillo, rich, fertile farmland predominates. These farms are the wintering grounds for thousands of dove that migrate here from North America. American hunters are welcomed by the farmers because the huge dove flocks destroy much grain and are considered a pest. The liberal limits and large concentration of birds offer some truly world-class wing shooting. I'm hunting with David Miller, the custom rifle maker from Tucson, Arizona, and we are the guests of Campillo Brothers Trophy Hunting Operation. Well, I'm hunting with Dave Miller, the master custom rifle maker. And Dave, when you first told me about this hunting down here, I wasn't really sure how much of it was truth and how much of it was fiction. But now that I'm here, I must admit, this is world-class wing shooting.
Well, if you haven't been down here before, it is kind of hard to believe.
Well, the dove are everywhere. And that's what I like. I just let a couple of buzz me while I was talking to you.
Yeah.
Here we go, right here, 6 o'clock, coming overhead. Stoned him. There comes some more. Right in that sun, too.
Yeah. Good thing we got on these glasses.
Yeah. Here we go. I let him get away from me. There you go, right behind you. Oh, unreal. There you go, good shot.
Thank you.
All right, come on, little buddies. I probably could have reached out for them. They were about 35, 40 yards, which is a marginal shot. Not too much wind today. Well, Dave, does a fella ever get tired of shooting down here?
Well, what I do when I come down here, about 3 days of this, that's about all I want. Then I go back and think about it for a while.
Right here overhead. Good shot, Dave. Boom. That's pretty.
Coming into you, Buck. Beautiful. Beautiful.
There's one coming behind us, Dave. He's yours. Go ahead. Needed that second shot.
Yeah.
One thing about this dove hunting, Dave, you go through a lot of shells, you know it?
Yeah, that's for sure.
What I'm shooting is these Winchester Super Pigeon target loads. It's a number 8 shot, low base, but they're strong enough to reach out and touch someone. There's one. Didn't get enough lead on them. I think the whole key is making sure you get a good swing through,
right.
And then when you squeeze off the trigger, continue to swing through and spread
right
that pattern across the sky. Boom, and then swing through.
Right. Yeah, a lot of us stop that swing when we pull the trigger.
Good
like
shot.
That sort of buck.
That'll work. That'll work.
Every time.
That's how that's supposed to be done. All right, overhead dove.
Take him. Boy, good shot.
Folding him up, just like I knew what I was doing. Here comes one for you, Dave, overhead. It's a pigeon, I think.
Right behind him, that is a pigeon.
Yep.
Coming at you, Buck. It's a pigeon. Good shot.
The 3 species of birds that we're hunting here in Sonora, Mexico include the mourning dove. He's fast and elusive and is commonly found all over North America. They migrate here to Mexico in the hundreds of thousands. Another dove species that we're hunting is the white-winged dove, and he's characterized by the white wing feathers. And the third species is the blue pigeon. A little larger in size, he's not quite as fast in the air. All of these birds provide excellent wing shooting opportunities, and they make excellent table fare. You know, this outfit that the Campillo brothers run is really something else. Not only do they have some excellent dove hunting, but they've also got some great fishing over there at Keno Bay in the Gulf of California. And then, as you well know, some excellent deer hunting. In fact, they've taken the #1 mule deer in the Safari Club book on their place, and you've taken the #6 Coues deer in Safari Club on one of their concessions.
Yeah, Buck, on the #1 mule deer, that was taken in 89. Taken about 50 miles from here, south of Hermosillo. Then last fall in 90, I got the #6 whitetail, which is about roughly 150 miles from here, on the east side of Sonora. They've got some excellent deer hunting here. They got good javelina hunting over there in the Coues deer area. I think they're about as good an outfit as you can get down here. Seem to be real responsible about it.
Well, I'd have to say from what I've seen, they run a real good operation with all the different things they have going on. It makes for a lot of exciting sporting opportunities. And they're easy to get hold of as well because World Trek out of Pueblo, Colorado is their booking agent. And all you have to do is call their toll-free number and they'll set you up for a mule deer or a Coues deer hunt or a fishing excursion or a world-class dove hunt like we're experiencing here. There's another one. had a pretty good morning here.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's about time to go in and rustle up some lunch. What do you think?
Sounds like a good idea to me.
Did some fine shooting today.
Yeah, both of us.
I'd like to introduce you to Roberto and Ramon Campillo. They're our hosts here in Sonora, Mexico, and they're the owners of Campillo Brothers Trophy Hunting. Fellas, you have a fantastic operation down here, and I've really enjoyed the opportunity of coming down and experiencing this fine dove hunting.
Thank you. We enjoyed having you with us.
Stay with us. We'll be right back after this. We are back in the dove field after our siesta. We're rested and the dove are flying. You know what? I could get to like this.
Yeah, that siesta, it was sure felt good. Glad to be back out here though.
Needed that second shot to get on him.
Made a good shot there, Buck.
Well, we had to start the day off right. Make old Andre get out there and stretch his legs out and make a long retrieve. I'd love to bring my black lab down here. This would be a riot for him, but the logistics of crossing borders and customs and everything make it more trouble than it's worth. That white patch on their wings really shows up, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. I guess this is a real treat for you, Buck, with the white wing.
No, we don't have too many of them around Missouri. And then, of course, the liberal limits that you have here in Mexico also make this a real treat.
Here comes one in.
It's all you, Dave. Pretty good shooting over there, Dave-O. I'm proud of you. You need to come hunt geese with me in southern Illinois sometime. We have got some wads of geese that'll stagger your mind.
Sound like a plan? Good shot.
Thank you very much. That's how Elvis says it.
Yeah, thank you
very much.
Thank you very much.
Now for my next number, there's a pigeon coming right there. Good shot. There you go, Dave. You know what? There may be something to my calling after all, because he looked like he was going to swing wide.
He's coming right on in.
He looked like he was going to swing wide a couple times, and I called him right in.
I know it. He come right in. I didn't move a hair.
Well, you made a good shot. Dave, tell me a little bit about the Mexican game programs and their conservation efforts.
Well, Buck, they've got some pretty good programs going on here. They're trying to learn more about mule deer through the universities in Hermosillo, and they're working in conjunction with the Americans, you know, because there's a lot to be learned about the Coues deer, the mule deer, even the dove. So they are working on this to learn more about these game animals. And they do have, you know, real strict seasons here on these animals. I think a lot of people don't understand that they do have game laws down here that have to be adhered to. I was behind him, wasn't I?
I didn't see. I was over here working on my own. Well, you'd mentioned something about the javelina.
Yeah, the javelina here on the western side of Sonora, right now they've got a moratorium on that animal. I'm not sure about down here, but in southern Arizona, right now there's a disease that has taken quite a few of them here in the last couple of years. And the game departments are a little concerned about, you know, what's happening. They're doing a lot of research on it. So in the meantime, here in western Sonora, they just put a moratorium on it.
No hunting at all then?
No No hunting at all. On the eastern side of Sonora, yes, you can hunt the javelina. There seems to be no problem over there. Boy, they're a pretty bird.
Yeah. The blue Patagonia. There's two sneaking off the end here. They may come in. Come on. There's your double. There's your double. Good job, David.
Thank you.
We were waiting on that one.
Man, I mean, those are hard to come by. Now there's a good shot.
Boom, there's another good shot. Poor old Andre, he's got his work cut out for him.
He's gonna be...
Two pigeons off your end coming. They're not buying my program. Well, Andre's pretty good at locating those downed birds.
Yeah. Three.
Bueno.
One behind you there, Buck. Get him. Good shot.
Oh. Load them up.
You keep shooting like that, you're gonna have to go in competition.
Oh, I'm not that good. I can't hit clay birds at all, but you get me a feathered bird, it's a whole nother story, it seems.
More incentive for me.
Here comes a little sneaker off the end.
Yeah.
Let's see if he comes on in. Come on, little buddy.
Take him. Good
All right.
shot.
All right. I like those one-shot birds. Behind you, right there. Get him. All right, good shot.
On him like ugly on 8.
Dave, I've had a fantastic time dove hunting with you here in Mexico, and I've enjoyed hunting with you.
Enjoyed hunting with you. Let's do it again.
This is the kind of trip that needs to be done about once a year.
Right.
We'll see you next week, right here on The Outdoorsman. For more information about a Mexican dove hunt of your own, contact World Trek at this toll-free number, 1-800-866-8735.
The Outdoorsman has been brought to you by Goodyear Wrangler Radials, the tires that will take you just about anywhere, but remember, tread lightly. Nikon, the best optics in the world, say Nikon. Winchester Ammunition, remember, every round counts. And the Outdoorsman Sweepstakes. For great prizes every month, call 900-990-8488.
We've got to go, but we'll be back same time next week, and that's a fact. Here at the Buck McNeely Outdoorsman Show. Kick off your shoes, stay right there. Sit yourself down in an easy chair. Buck's gonna give us a taste of the outdoor life. We got ducks to hunt and fish to catch. He might even take us to a shooting match. Let's join Buck for a bit of the outdoor life. Now, if you've been wishing for a little fun, Buck's gonna show us how it's done. There's no better time in the world, you know, than Buck McNeely's outdoor show. We got high adventure with a natural flair. You can see it all from your favorite chair. Let's join Buck for a taste of the outdoor life.
The Outdoorsman is brought to you by Goodyear Wrangler Radials. Tires that will take you just about anywhere. But remember, tread lightly. Nikon, the industry's leader in camera and sport optics equipment. Winchester, the finest ammunition manufacturers for more than a century. Winchester, because every round counts. And the Outdoorsman Sweepstakes. For great prizes every month, call 900-990-8488.
Welcome to the show. Today we journey to the Yucatan Peninsula for some of the most exciting duck hunting ever captured on camera. We'll be hunting with the Pancho Villa Hunting Club. Stay tuned. It all starts right after this. The Yucatan Peninsula is host to hundreds of thousands of ducks that migrate here every winter via the 4 major flyways of North America. Pancho Villa Hunting Club is headquartered in Merida, the capital city of Yucatan. Merida is a beautiful city that boasts exotic architecture featuring Mexico's recent history and glorifying the ancient Mayan Empire. Palatial homes and gardens and open-air markets. Surrounded by the Gulf of Mexico, Yucatan offers some of the most beautiful unspoiled beaches found anywhere in the world. Over 200 square miles of mangrove swamps are found inland. This is where the ducks are. Here they find the temperate climate and abundance of food, an excellent place to winter. The sheer numbers of ducks and the liberal limits make Yucatan a duck hunter's paradise. This cloud of ducks is mostly blue-winged teal. Other ducks found here are cinnamon and green-winged teal, pintail, widgeon, and bluebill. Our host is the manager of Pancho Villa, Mr. Dennis Puff. He employs native Mexican guides who keep constant track of the movement of the ducks. The guides are expert callers and are skilled at making blinds out of native materials. As the sun peaks over the horizon, the duck hunt begins.
Nada. He's crippled. He's dead.
Dennis, this is hard work. Shh. Got him turned. To the left.
Pagi para ya.
You know what the hardest part of shooting those flocks is? Picking out just one duck to shoot first.
That's right. Here comes one right in here. Take him.
He's hit but not dead. Folks, this is what duck hunting is all about. This is the kind of stuff that dreams are made of. The Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. My host here today, Mr. Dennis Puff, the manager of the Pancho Villa Duck Hunting Club. Dennis, this is incredible. You got to do this every day for a living?
That's right. We've been shooting for 45 minutes straight, non-stop just about.
Just about. This is the first lull in the action we've had. Just in the last 20 minutes alone, we probably had 4 flocks of 20 or more teal come in. Wouldn't happen to need another hired hand down here, would you?
Could you live on $4 a day?
You know, for duck hunting like this, it'd almost be worth it.
Yeah.
Dotted across the countryside are the ruins of a great and ancient civilization. When the Spanish conquistadors landed in Yucatan, they found the Mayan cities of Chichen Itza and Uxmal already abandoned. The Mayan natives had no knowledge of the whereabouts of the city's builders. To this day, the fate of the Mayan civilization remains a mystery. Most of the Mayan artifacts and writings were destroyed by Franciscan missionaries in their effort to convert the natives to Catholicism. Today, all that remains is the music and dance, and of course the ruins of a great civilization.
Sitting down. Cormorants.
Blair Bay.
Shit.
Way out of range. Tell you one thing about these ducks, they don't fool around. They're either coming in or they're not.
That's right. The pintail and widgeon, they'll work. They'll come around 3 or 4 times. Teal, they're coming in the decoys, or they're flying by.
Yeah. This Mexican duck hunting is incredible. Now I know where they get the term Mexican duck hunt.
That's right.
Yeah.
They just come from everywhere. They bombard you over the top, from the front, both sides. Comes in groups of 1s, 2s, 5s, 10s.
You got some pretty good guides here, don't you?
Yeah, we do. Most of them call by mouth. Some of them use their duck calls, but not too many. They call teal very well with their mouth. They also use some pintail whistles. We use, this is what we use for a widgeon. It's a Coca-Cola bottle cap. This was manufactured by Coca-Cola as a gimmick to sell more Coke. And one of the guide's kids had one of these, and he was blowing in it. It sounded just like a widgeon. So he took it out, and it works pretty good.
It does have a pretty good widgeon sound to it.
It does, and it works. It works good.
You ought to know. So how many guides do you have taking care of you here at Pancho Villa?
We have 40 different guides.
40 different ones.
40 different guides. Our marsh here is almost 200 square miles of marsh.
200 square miles.
We hunt an area probably about 50 miles square. That's all the ducks use, is in the marsh here.
Mm-hmm.
That's where all the food is. They eat widgeon grass. That's their main diet here in the Yucatan, is widgeon grass.
Duck hunting in Mexico. We'll be right back after this message. Duck, turn to your right, turn to your right.
Take them.
Dead duck. I like this kind of shooting because the only points you keep track of is how many ducks are lying in the water. Not, well, was that duck 35 points? Or
that's right.
Maybe it's a 40-point duck.
Or a 90-point duck and you're done.
Yeah, you shoot one mallard hen and you go home. That's it. That's a 100-point duck.
Yeah.
I've been on duck hunts with the guys that flock of mallards come in, maybe 1, maybe 2 hens drop. And everybody's saying, "Hey, great shot on that hen, man." Pointing the finger at everybody else saying, "Hey, you killed that hen." No, you killed it. Nobody wants to cop to killing the hen.
You don't have to worry about that down here.
Mm.
Bet you're going to hate to go home.
Tell you, Dennis, this is fun. This is fun. I wonder just how many people back in the States, after seeing this, are going to want to check it out for themselves.
I don't think they'll be disappointed.
Mm-mm. I know I'm sure not. This is the kind of duck hunting
that I've always dreamt about. You know, in my wildest fantasies, ducks bombing in from every direction.
It also beats the cold weather.
Yeah, what is it today? Probably 70 degrees?
70 degrees.
Yeah. Mosquitoes aren't too bad today.
No. True. Here it comes. Gracias. Can't get no more in. This one I could get 8 in. This one only 5.
You shooting your 12 or your 20?
Shoot my 20. 20 on the teal. Far shots I'll pick up the 12 gauge. But the close ones I'll shoot the 20. The ones I dropped the 3 ducks with, I shot my 20. Puts a little bit better pattern out there. Wait. You got 3 in front. 3 in front.
Got one up there, I think.
Wait. Now. Jeez, nothing. When them widgeon come in and pintail come in, it's nice to see them work.
Oh, yeah.
You get kind of jittery just standing there waiting to pick up that gun. You gotta wait till they come in a little bit closer.
Yep. Well, that last flock just came in beautiful.
We did that right.
Yeah. It doesn't get any prettier than that.
No. We didn't do too bad. We pulled out 6.
6 out of 1 flock is not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. This is beautiful country down here.
Yeah, it is.
Absolutely beautiful.
Down and up. Johnny. This is Drake widgeon.
That's beautiful duck.
Almost in full plumage. Not quite, almost.
What's that?
Almost in full plumage. Not quite. It needs a little bit more green right in through here.
That's still a beautiful duck.
Oh yeah, big too.
He's healthy. Got a little blue tint on his bill, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, save that duck. I may mount that guy too.
Okay. See.
Folks, this is the life. In fact, I think I may just stay down here for the rest of my life. Well, folks, what more is there to say? Dead ducks, or as they say down here in the Yucatan, mato pato. What a day we've had.
Hope to have you back sometime.
Count on it. Join us next week for some more exciting adventures right here on The Outdoorsman.
The Outdoorsman has been brought to you by Goodyear Wrangler Radials, the tires that will take you just about anywhere. But remember, tread lightly.